Good morning, guys. We're taking my Cayenne, Jarek's Cayenne, and our dad's truck out to Hollister Hills SVRA. This one's going to be really interesting. It's one of the long bed F-150s. We're going to see how it does out there. We might have to stick to some easier trails because this thing is pretty massive compared to these. These are nice and cute and short, but this is like a car and a half. So we'll see where we can take them. Also, my Cayenne all-terrains, our dad's truck. He is on some all-terrains, some Toyo open countries, pretty solid tires. Jarek, though, on the other hand, he is on some all-seasons. So I think this thing is pretty capable if we get out there in the dirt, but we'll see. Made it to the visitor center. This is everyone's last chance to turn around before it's too late. Oh, cool. They take card, by the way, in case you don't have cash. I'm gonna grab some maps in case we get lost out there. Upper and lower. All right, Hollister Hills, Upper Ranch. Apparently Hudner Ranch is closed today because of the rain, but Upper Ranch is nice and open. So when you open this up, there are a ton of green circles, and those are like the easiest trails. So we're gonna try a few out. Alrighty, we made it to Upper Ranch. We're doing it. Little school right here. Kick things off. Off-highway vehicle use may be hazardous. Okay, looking at this map, we're at the Upper Ranch entrance right there. Here's the Vineyard Schoolhouse. I think we're gonna take McRae Road all the way down and then stop where McRae becomes McRae Z. Yeah, McRae Z looks pretty crazy. So we're gonna loop back, take Gardner Flat, and that should hopefully bring us back to where we started. Oh, here we go. This honestly isn't bad at all. This is pretty chill. So hopefully it stays this way. Gardner Lake Road. Oh, that's how we're gonna get back here. Okay, cool. And we're gonna keep following McRae Road all the way.
It's kind of sketch. You might need a lift for this. Sick.
Yeah, you can make it.
I probably could, yeah. I just need to raise it right now.
We're not going up there in this. Yeah, it looks like McRae Road, actually, the one that we were supposed to take is closed, so. All right, guys, new idea. We're gonna go down, back to where we came. We're gonna connect to Foothill, and then take Foothill all the way down to the end of Gardner Flat. And that should hopefully get us somewhere. But yeah, this is kind of cool. We're just playing around in the dirt. There we are, Foothill Road. This looks way easier. Okay. Everyone's doing all right behind me? Okay. Okay, don't look off the side. But I'm looking off the side. Oh, this is nice. Whoa. This is pretty chill. Honestly, this Gardner Flat is kind of flat. Let's get to enjoy some nice views. No one's really out here. We're just kicking up dirt. This is nice. All right, we're gonna keep going down McRae. Whoa, hello. And that is a Black Diamond Buckeye Trail. Probably not there. I know, it's doing great, huh?
Yeah,
dude, those.
I'm just playing around with the air suspension.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, I did like a little bit higher.
Uh huh.
Yeah, just for this one.
Oh, nice, nice. Oh, there's McCrazy. Yeah, no way. Look at that, you guys. That right there is McCrazy. That looks pretty insane. It's like a really steep uphill. And we just saw, I think it was like a Ford Maverick, try to do it twice, and it hasn't been able to do it. So maybe third time's the charm, maybe not, I don't know. Let's see, is he gonna try this? Are you in two-wheel drive or four? Four. Oh, you're in four, that makes sense. Ooh, some rocks. Nice, we're doing okay. Oh yeah. Oh. Too narrow? Okay, he's making it up there. I don't know what's up there, guys. Oh no. Okay, Jared just powered through this, I guess. All right, well, here we go. We made it! Okay, that wasn't too bad, honestly. I think Jared was just giving you too much gas. These all seasons are hanging in. Oh my god, nice and caked. Yeah, this did great. Okay, so some clearance might help here in the future. Guys, I'm smacking my rooftop tent on trees. I forgot about that. Oops. Crazy is so crazy, by the way. Every time we like pass by it and I look, I can't believe that cars go over this. We're at the end of McRae Road's greenness. I guess it goes blue after this. How you doing, Mom? Good? So it literally turns into like 3 blue trails. We have the Bonanza Gulch, and then McRae is blue now. And yeah, just more Bonanza Gulch Road. So I think this is a good stopping point for us to head back. You're good. All right, so apparently this is kind of slippery. So we'll see how we do. Ooh, shit. Oh my God. Go straight. Wow. Yeah, you did it. Yeah. That was way easier. There's a Cayenne right there. Cayennes are pretty great out here, right? Yeah. All right, drive safe. We have one more trail. So we were on Garner Flat on our way out. We came across Prospect. It's another green. So we're gonna take this green Prospect here to West Trail up, cross over Foothill, and then back to Gardner. And then we're gonna head out. It's the Garner Gulch. And we're just gonna stay on Prospect. West Trail, a little bit of a sharp turn, but we'll be all right. Okay, I think we reached the 4x4 obstacle course here. Let's check it out. Nice. Shit. Yo. That was so cool. Ooh. You want to try it, Jake? No. No? I want to try this. All right, guys, I'm going to try going up and down this thing. Let's try it. Oh, yeah, it's kind of cool up there.
Yeah, that's cool. Oh, that was easy.
That was sick.
Oh, hey, sorry, Derek.
Yeah,
next, Derek.
me next. That was cool. And then you guys did.
Yeah, I'm gonna reverse.
Okay. I was like, fall in the hole. I know. This is so cool.
Oh, this is a sick picture.
Nice. This thing's huge.
I know.
Gonna move this out of the way. There you go. All right, guys, that's it. That's the exit on that side. Oh, bummer. This was really fun. We drove a couple miles to this place called Burger Factory. We're tired. We've been out there for hours. And here's how the cars look. Yeah, we got pretty muddy out there. There's mud everywhere. I had some mud in my window, so I had to like take a screwdriver and pick it out so I could close the window properly, but that was fun. So, Jarek, what did you think about your first off-road experience?
That was fun. Yeah, and it was scary at first, but then not too bad.
Yeah, you got a lot better really fast.
Yeah. I think once I realized not to go too fast.
Yeah. What about you, Dad?
Same, scary and fun.
Scary and fun, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. We're just wrapping up here at Burger Factory. This hit the spot, and I think this is going to be our go-to after Hollister Hills because it literally is perfect. The portions are great. Obviously, everything's eaten, but huge burgers, huge fries. Oh, that was good. We just made it back. I'm exhausted, but that was so fun. Honestly, the Cayennes did great. Jarek's Cayenne, with all seasons, made it through just as much as we did with our all-terrains, but I think it's time for Jarek to upgrade a little bit. And you know what makes today extra special? This is my 365th day owning this Cayenne. I bought it exactly 1 year ago in 2024. So, first off, it survived a year with me, which is great. And second, I feel like there's no other way for me to celebrate its 1 year anniversary than taking it out into the dirt. But anyways, that was fun. Thank you all so much for watching. Till next time, peace.